At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a manufacturing plant business is a significant undertaking that requires careful planning, strategic decision-making, and a strong understanding of the industry landscape. Whether you're venturing into consumer goods, industrial products, or technology components, success in manufacturing hinges on effective management, efficient operations, and a focus on quality. Here are the top 10 tips to guide you as you embark on your journey to establish a thriving manufacturing plant business. 1. Thorough market research. Before diving in, conduct extensive market research to understand consumer needs, competitor offerings, and industry trends. Identifying niche opportunities and gauging demand will inform your product development and market positioning strategies. 2. Develop a solid business plan. Craft a comprehensive business plan outlining your objectives, target market, financial projections, and operational strategies. A well-defined roadmap will guide your decisions, attract investors, and serve as a blueprint for growth. 3. Choose the right location. Selecting the optimal location for your manufacturing plant is crucial. Consider factors such as proximity to suppliers, distribution channels, workforce availability, and regulatory requirements. Access to transportation infrastructure and utilities is also vital for efficient operations. 4. Invest in quality equipment and technology. Equip your manufacturing plant with state-of-the-art machinery and technology to ensure efficiency, precision, and quality control. Regular maintenance and upgrades are essential to maximize productivity and minimize downtime. 5. Focus on lean manufacturing principles. Implement lean manufacturing practices to streamline processes, minimize waste, and optimize resource utilization. Continuous improvement initiatives such as Kaizen can enhance operational efficiency and drive cost savings. 6. Build a skilled workforce. Recruit and train employees with the necessary skills and expertise to operate equipment, maintain quality standards, and adapt to evolving market demands. Foster a culture of collaboration, innovation, and commitment to excellence. 7. Establish robust supply chain relationships. Forge strong partnerships with reliable suppliers to ensure a steady flow of raw materials and components. Negotiate favorable terms, diversify your supplier base, and maintain open communication to mitigate risks and disruptions. 8. Prioritize quality control and assurance. Implement rigorous quality control processes throughout the production cycle to uphold product integrity and customer satisfaction. Invest in testing protocols, inspection procedures, and compliance standards to meet regulatory requirements and industry standards. 9. Develop a strategic marketing and distribution plan. Create a compelling brand identity and marketing strategy to differentiate your products in the market. Identify effective distribution channels, cultivate relationships with distributors and retailers, and leverage digital platforms to reach your target audience. 10. Stay agile and adaptive. Remain flexible and responsive to changing market dynamics, technological advancements, and consumer preferences. Continuously monitor performance metrics, solicit feedback from customers and stakeholders, and innovate to stay ahead of the competition. Conclusion. Embarking on the journey of starting a manufacturing plant business requires careful planning, meticulous execution, and unwavering commitment to excellence. By following these top 10 tips, you can lay a solid foundation for success, navigate challenges effectively, and realize your vision of building a thriving enterprise in the dynamic world of manufacturing. With strategic foresight, dedication to quality, and a focus on innovation, your manufacturing plant can become a cornerstone of industry leadership and enduring prosperity. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached,